In a world where chaos reigns as king, I am the unnoticed, the subtle undertone. Beneath the cacophony, I weave myself through the cracks between the loudness, a gentle breath amidst the tempest. They call me the whisper, the quiet voice that swims through tumultuous minds, seeking refuge in the unnoticed spaces. I am the pause before words, the silence between the beats. I am the flicker of candlelight in a tempest, fragile yet unwavering, casting small pools of clarity in the surrounding storm. Often mistaken for absence, I am the moment life inhales, a breath held in anticipation, the stillness that follows a final note played on a fading chord. Though the world spins in frantic circles, I linger in corners, where shadows stretch long and the air is hushed. I am the echo in an empty hall, the reminder of something not quite forgotten. Lost, perhaps, to those who chase the clamor, but ever present for those who dare to listen. In my embrace, thoughts slow to a dance, not a race. Hearts find their rhythm, not in the pounding, but in the patience of still waters. To know me is to know the space where inspiration germinates, where ideas whisper their first words before they are shouted into existence. So, if you find yourself amidst the noise, overwhelmed and yearning for clarity, seek me out. I am the whisper, a gentle guide through nature's maze, waiting patiently in the periphery, ready to reveal the secrets held beneath the noise.